Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Caniel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is our May newsletter. Well, for those of you who happen to watch it, a month ago I was doing the same newsletter video, sitting in pretty much the same place, and I was surrounded with snow, had a winter coat and cap on, and I was just a little on the cold side. And that's a little fresh this morning, but May 3rd, it's comfortable, and I'm pleased that even though we had a light winter, that spring is here and summer's just around the corner. And speaking of which, there are only 2 months left in the school year. Lots happening inside Learn. Back at the beginning of April, we had our I Belong Film Festival, and all of these videos are now up on our site. I encourage you to take a look at it. Congratulations to our team. They just continue to do outstanding work, and I'm really pleased and thrilled with all of that. Now, of course, at the same time, our virtual campus team gearing up. The online classes are coming to an end very soon, but our tutorials are going through the roof. I think we're doing close to 1,500 sessions a week, and the feedback from students and parents continues to be very positive. In the meantime, Ped Services doing amazing work as well. We have our Scratch meetup at the end of the month, and I again encourage you to, if you haven't signed up yet, to do so. And also, maybe just as a quick point, to mention that last week we had an outstanding blog. They're all good, but this one was really stood out a little bit by Julie Paré and Emma Legault, really addressing the question of where English students are in a province dominated by Francophones. The surprising thing, the positive news, is that our youth sees themselves in Quebec generally. There's a future for them here. I think they see themselves as a part of a community. They're not. They don't see themselves as being outsiders per se. So I think there's a lot to be said about that. I encourage you to take a look at that blog and all the previous blogs as well, because they're equally interesting. And of course, there'll be more to come. Just to mention that as we head into the school year end, it might be a time for us to reflect on our online pedagogy. Those of you who know me know that I was involved for a few years with the Next School project, which was really an attempt to bring about systemic change to education. As a result of the pandemic and for various conditions and factors, we had to put it on hold for now. But it might be time for us to really reflect and ask ourselves, are we doing what we need to be doing to prepare our kids for the 21st century? Are the learning environments right? Are we optimizing our spaces, our relationships, our community partners? There's a lot to be thought out and considered as we do this. And maybe the pandemic has been an opportunity to really catalyze this kind of thinking. Give it some thought. I will see you again at the beginning of June. I wish you all a great month. Be well, stay healthy. Bye now.